Good afternoon. Welcome back again. Today we will be covering the different spelling patterns of the j sound, uh, as in job, giant, orange, and bridge. One sound, four spelling patterns, as in J, J, G, J, GE, J, DGH, J. So now let's go down to the details. Uh, the sound J can be written as J, as in words, job, jump, juice, jacket, and jelly. So the letter J is the most common spelling of the j sound at the beginning of words. When you see j at the beginning of a word, read it as j. The second spelling pattern of the sound j is g, and the letter g makes the sound j when it's followed by the letters E, I, or Y, as in giant, giraffe, gem, gentle, and gym. In each word here, the letter G makes the sound J because it is followed by I, as in giant, because it is followed by E, as in gem, because it is followed by Y, as in gym. Now let's go to the third spelling pattern. Also, the sound J can be written as GE, as in orange, change, large, huge, village. So the letter GE often make the sound J, make the J sound at the end of words, as you can see. So now let's move to the fourth spelling pattern, which is DGE. The sound J can be written as DGE, as in bridge, as in badge, as in fudge, as in lodge, as in nudge. So by now we have come to the end of our video for today. Thank you very much. Till I see you in another video. Stay well. This is me from English Bridge Academy. If you like my videos, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel in the YouTube. Thank you very much.